seasons change and our love will cold. Feed the flame cause we can't let it go. Run away but we're running in circles. Run away, I dare you to do something. I'm waiting on you again, so I don't take the blame. Run away but we're running in circles. Run away, and let go. Hey everybody, this is Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Circles by Post Malone. The inspiration for this was actually Keith Urban, because if you follow him on Instagram, he had a video a little bit ago where he's playing the lead guitar, just improvising to this song, and it sounded super cool, so I maybe want to learn to play the song. So yeah, check that out for sure. But to all of you who have subscribed, and I'm getting a lot more subscribers lately, I seriously am so appreciative. To those of you who haven't, if you find this tutorial useful, I'd ask that you subscribe and hit the like button so that you can get notified when I come out with new videos, okay? So let's get right into it. No capo, standard tuning, which I love on guitar. And then the chords in this song are very easy to play. The only one that's going to be a little bit tricky is the F, and I'm going to show you some ways to do that really easy, okay? So for this song, here are the chords you're going to need. And real quick, stick around for the end of the video because I've got a bonus tip for you at the end of the video, okay? So be sure to stick around for that. So the chords you're going to need are C major 7. If you don't know that, it's just C, but you lift this finger off, okay? So it's just like that. C major 7. Okay, and then you're also going to use F major 7, which is just down here, okay? So you do that. It's just like C, except for instead of having those there, you move them down. So it's going to be, you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your pointer finger is going to go on the 1st fret on the B string, okay? That one sounds like that. All right, you are also going to use F, which is so that's barred. If you have a hard time, barred and with this middle finger down. If you have a hard time barring it, okay, then don't bar it and play everything else the same. So just play it like a power chord, and you wouldn't strum the bottom 2 strings, okay? You wouldn't strum the B or the E. You're gonna strum it just the top ones. Okay, like that. You should bar it, but if you can't, that's what you can do. And then you're also gonna use F minor, which is you're going to play, you just lift up this finger. So again, if you can't bar it, like you should there, if you can't bar that, then just don't. Just play it like a power chord and just pluck the top 3 or 4 strings, okay? Okay, so that's how you play F minor. And then you will also use C, just a regular standard C, okay? So the way that you start the song is the intro is you're gonna do C major 7, then you're going to do F major 7, like that, okay, and then F minor, C major 7, you can play this 4 times, see, F major 7, F minor, then the 3rd time is where you start going, oh, 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 the 4th time you do the same thing, oh, oh, oh. And then so that's how you play the intro, okay? So it's C major 7, F major 7, and F minor, okay? And here's the strumming pattern for the entire song, okay? So it's down. Okay, just like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Just like that the whole time, okay? So you're going to play that through 4 times, and then when you get to the verse, it's going to be a little bit different. You're going to do C, okay? You're going to do C, and then you're going to do F. It's a very easy transition, actually, because you'll leave that finger on, so you'll go from that to that, okay? Now, so then after F, you're going to go back to C, back to F, okay? And then you're going to do C major 7, and then F major 7, and again this is all in that same strumming pattern, F major 7, and then F minor, okay? And then you're going to do the same way you started, C major 7, F major 7, and then you're only going to strum this once, but you're going to do F minor, okay, and then mute. So it's, let's walk you through that one time. I'm going to try and play it a little bit slowly and do this so you can see, okay, the chords I'm switching to and everything. So it's, we couldn't turn around, that's F, till we were upside down, C. I'll be the bad guy now, F, but no, I ain't too proud. C major 7, I'm proud. I couldn't be there. F major 7 right after there. And then F minor. Even when I try is F, C major 7. You don't believe it. So when you say it, you're doing F major 7. And then you're gonna mute right on that once. We do this every time, okay? And then you go into the chorus. Now the chorus is going to be C major 7 and then F minor, okay? Sorry, that's the wrong. Sorry, I said that wrong. C major 7, F, and then F minor, okay? So, and you're gonna do that. It's gonna be the same, it's gonna be very similar to the verses, okay? So it's C major 7, seasons change and our love went cold, F is on feed. Feed the flame cause we can't is F minor, can't let it go, and all you do is lift that finger off, so it's super easy transition. Can't let it go. Then run is, you're gonna do, right before run, you're gonna do C major 7. Run away, but we're running in circles. Right after circles, you do F, run away, and then the second run, you're gonna do F minor. Run away, I dare you to do. Okay, so it's do, it's gonna be C major 7. Do something, waiting on you. So that's F major 7, you is you. You again. Again is F minor, but you're only doing it like, you're starting it like halfway through, and this, you don't strum this one as long. Again, so I don't take the blame. Okay, then you go back to C major 7. Run away, but we're running in circles. F on run. Run away, run away. Okay, the second, and it's the same thing as before. Run away. Okay, so just to walk you through that, it's C major 7, F, F minor. Then C major 7, F, F minor. Okay. Sorry, I'm looking at my notes while I do it, so I make sure I get it right. So after that last F minor, then you're going to do, then you will change it the one time in the chorus, and you will change it from, you'll go C major 7, and then F major 7, okay, and then F minor. Okay, and then after that, you go back to what you're doing before. You do C major 7, F, F minor. Okay, just like that. Now, the strumming pattern, the only time it's different, and you don't have to play it differently, but the only time it's different is in the beginning of the second verse. So if you listen to the song on the album, it just has like a bass line, okay? What I would do for that is I would palm mute it. Like that. So you go down, 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 okay? Then you're gonna go down, 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 down. And then after that, you're gonna start strumming this, like the same, okay? So it's the first C and F is where you'll strum it differently. So it's, I let go, I got a feeling that, okay? So just like that. So palm muting is you're putting that part of your hand as close as you can to the bridge right there, okay? And then you're just gonna basically pluck the closer strings to you. So you're gonna pluck, not pluck, but strum. And you can use a pick. I'm just using that part of my finger, okay? So it's C, I let go, and you're, look, I'm just doing A and D, okay? I'm just doing those, and then you're gonna do those same. You could pluck that one, but it sounds better if you just do those ones still on F. And then you're gonna do that. So you'll go, let go, I got a feeling that it's time to let go. I say so, I know that it was due from the get-go. Thought that it was special. Okay, so that's how you'll go. Now the only other thing you need to know about this song before the bonus tip is that when you get to the bridge, you're gonna do C. So it's gonna be, you're just gonna do single strums. Maybe you don't, let's see, let's do it like that so you can see. Maybe you don't understand what I'm going through. Okay, then you do F. It's only me, Then after me, you do F minor. What you got to lose? Okay. Make up your mind, tell me what are you gonna do? It's only me, let it go. Okay, and then you go into the chorus again. Now the bonus tip that I have for you guys is that if on this song, if you are playing and you mess up and you play the wrong chord, just keep going, because the chords are so similar in this song that it almost doesn't matter. Like, if somebody really knows it and have a really good ear, they'll be able to tell. But for the most part, you can't, because C major 7 is so similar to C to C. See that? So if you were to play like C, where you're supposed to be playing C major 7, or if you do C major 7, and then instead of going to F, you go to F major 7, it sounds so similar that most people won't know. So if that was C major 7 to F major 7. Okay, both of them, I've messed up when I was practicing this, and I was like, oh, they sound almost exactly the same. So that's a tip for you guys. If you mess up, don't worry about it. Just keep playing through, because this song, people, like, the chords are so similar, it doesn't matter, okay? So that's my bonus tip for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. It's a great song to play, and it's not super difficult, and it's been so fun learning this one and to teach you guys. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, it's been real.